Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites. We're the manufacturers of RAPTOR composite fasteners. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time to introduce a tool that is used specifically for RAPTOR composite fasteners. This is the Omer Ri.25P. It is the pin nailer that shoots the RAPTOR 18-gauge headless pins as you see here. These headless pins range in lengths of 7/16 of an inch up to 1 inch. When installing the appropriate air fitting for your system specifications, please note that this tool has straight thread fittings. If you're using tapered thread fittings, please use thread tape. Before using the tool, please drop 2 to 3 drops of the tool oil that's provided with the tool. When loading the nailer, select the appropriate size nails that you'll be using with your pin nailer. We'll be using 3/4 inch. You'll open the slider, put them into the bottom of the tool, move your slider back into position, connect your hose, and you're ready to operate. All right, you'll notice it has the trigger safety here in place, so let's start shooting.